right, so today's product was not sent to me by the company. I actually needed this for my daughter. So we have a foldable booster seat. Now the reason I got this is I'm in a small manufactured home and I needed something small, easy to put away, etc. So I ordered this portable booster seat. Now I did get the gray one. So let's cut the seal, open it up. It should be just simple. Yep. Nothing else in there. And then here's everything. So we have tray here. Nice little tray. Looks like it'll clip on nice and easy. Set of instructions here. Nice. And of course, this is the booster seat. So you can see how small this folds down. I mean, what is that, like the length of my middle finger there? Like very, very small. It easily just kind of got a side here that pops out. Kind of pop out your sides. Pop down your seat. And bada bing. That's literally it. It's that easy. There is a little strap here, of course, so you can buckle them in. There we go. Nice. Like it. Simple. And you can see here, there's all these little grooves where these are able to clip down into. So this is actually able to pop on. And once this pops on, now it's extra sturdy because it's all put together. This is a look of it here. Now there is also the straps along the bottom in case you want to put this to a chair or something like that. I actually don't have a kitchen table where I live at, so I'll literally just be setting this on the floor so she can put her food here and eat. As I mentioned, you got a few different adjustable options here for the tray, and with her in it, this is what it looks like. For example, here it is all set up. Now it's really, really easy to take apart as you just push right here, which pops the top off or the seat up, and then you're able to just push the seat up and collapse in the sides. Super nice and easy. Yeah?